Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart virtually with Little Falls School 1 in Little Falls, New Jersey. And it was a great morning. I got to interact with the students and staff at the school. The main focus was on diversity, which is all about our differences, appreciating everybody around us, whether they're born different on the outside, if they look different on the outside, or if they're different on the inside as well, right? Our skills, our abilities, our talents. We still have to honor and appreciate and respect everyone no matter what. And the something that we really focused on today dealt with what's on my shirt, the logo here, which is need human kindness. And this world needs a lot more of it. You see the peace sign inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin and where this love has to begin as well. You'll see my dog over here, one of them at least, my wife and I. This is Kiki, Melaniki, the dog. And like we talked about in the presentation, unconditional love, love without any conditions, dogs teach us this, right? That they show us how to love somebody no matter if they're bigger, smaller, wider, thinner, taller, shorter, different skin color, have more money or not, are older or not, whatever it is, we can look for those opportunities, those differences, those diversity moments as an opportunity to come closer together instead of separate. And so it's something that I know ring true today, to know that we have to keep showing more love, we have to keep choosing love, showing more kindness, and that's how we start to lift this planet up, one act of kindness at a time. Thanks again for touching my heart. And as always, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the link that you'll see pop up on the screen here. Also, make sure to check out my website, mrpeace.org. You'll see the link for that as well, to follow my journey, both physically and virtually all across this country. There'll also be another playlist as well that you can check out for more awesome videos like this one. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too to get notified for future clips like this. Much love. Peace.